I like this. This art is more my speed. Just a nice cylinder with a, well, I'll figure out what saint that is, but old man preparing to flash a bus. No, I wasn't too sure about this park, but I really didn't want to go. I only came here to get some shots, but I like it. It's calm. There's not a lot of, well, there are no people hawking shit or begging for money. It's pretty nice. And yeah, I'm gonna go see the blue cock. No dick jokes though, unless I think of one. You're just like me, for real. See that timing? I time it right when it chimes and we get Basilica shots. Everything works out most of the time. Spoon. Which one do you like? The Spoon, St. Lawrence, or the giant blue cock? That's a question for me. I think I like the cylinder. I don't know. See, I like this. Horse made of sticks, logs, woods, whatever. All right, we got some new entries into the running. I'll try to protect us from the winds. It's breezy as hell today, but we have rock formation. Let's check out what this is. It's supposed to be Shoto Shima. So Japanese art, okay? I don't think it cracks the top three. I'm going with the room with the saint in it, Spoon number 2, and the big blue rooster number 3. All right. Sagacious head 6 and 7. Mid. Let's go. That little swing, rusted out thing. Seen something like that before, so no. It's not getting anything. One more entry. A giant bell. See if the giant bell holds up scrutiny. I don't think it's gonna crack top 3, but it might. You know what? Upon consideration, that rabbit over there might crack top 3. Huh. You know what? Rooster getting pushed out of top 3. This is third. So we got that thing over there with the saint, the giant spoon, and then giant spoon with the cherry, and then the rabbit on a bell. It's better than the regular bell because there's a rabbit on it and a hare, a giant hare probably. And the roosters, I mean, it's just big and blue. And sure, it dick jokes, but I can only take you so far. I mean, look at me. All right, next act is to get across that bridge. I think there's a park, or part of a park, or this park extends over there. We'll figure it out. This is called traffic. The air quality on this bridge sucks my dick. As does the audio quality here, but Ah, it's just windy, exhausting. There's another view of the Basilica. Let's go see what's on this fucking side. And then I'll leave, hopefully. Okay, this side of the park is a success too. I like this whole complex. It's great. Then again, I like art and sculpture and the outdoors. All packed within the city itself. But yeah, it's a great way to kill an hour of your time. Yeah, more time you play tennis or basketball or sit in whatever that is. What is that? Just a bench cage? Hold on. Let's go inspect. Oh, fuck is this? Okay, I don't know what this is. Some memorial? Probably. It's probably a memorial to like a bunch of dead people or children or something, so I should be respectful. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Nice. I need to go work out. Hit the fitness center. Because my body is looking like... You know that episode of King of the Hill where Hank starts taking steroids? He's got some muscle, but he's still fat, and he's got weak legs and shit. That's me right now. Mostly because I can't work out anymore. Thanks to my back and shoulder, but... Try to do what I can. At least get some of this. At least not be a Hank Hill on roids body. That's my only goal in life. That and smoking DMT. I am doing the high row. I'll tell you what. Psych. I did the chest press. My boy Hank's a pump jockey. Pulls down men's pants for money.